This is the sewing part of the tutorial, and I'll be starting with the making of the waistband. So let's dive into the tutorial. And for the waistband, you need the normal waist measurements plus 2 inches sewing and folding allowance. Fold the piece into halves to get the midpoint where the tail will be placed, like I did in this video. The main purpose of the stay here is to allow the fabric stay well. The stay has 2 sides. A part is gummy while the other part is not. You press the gummy part on the midpoint of the piece, like I'm doing in the video. The next thing you do, this is what it looks like after pressing. You press. This is what it looks like after pressing. Then you fold about ½ inch in for the sewing allowance. Finding this video helpful, kindly give a thumb up and place a comment. So this is what it looks like after folding. The next thing you do is to secure both sides with ½ inch each. This is the final look of the band. For the body piece, you join the flap area of both front and back together. Find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more of my videos. After joining the flap, you get to join both sides of the culottes if it's a culottes without zip, but this has a zip, so I will be joining a side first. Join the lap with the flap area before joining the side with a zip allowance. You can do it either way, depends on the convenience. The zip I will be using here is 8 inches in length. Subtract an inch from the 8 inches, you'll be left with 7 inches. The inches left is what you subtract from both sides, like from both the body and the waist, as the zipper allowance. It isn't limited to a culottes alone, but applicable to any style with a band and body piece. So that's what I'm doing here, as you can see. After joining the sides, you fold the band into 4 and launch it center. So by making a pleat, the first launch is where the first flap will stop, while the second launching is where the back flap will stop. It's just to have an accurate center for both front and back. After fixing the zip, fold in the length allowance, and that's all. We are done. If you learn from this video, kindly give it a thumb up, kindly like, and drop a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.